guys, and happy Vlogmas. My name is Vanessa and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about how to get these beautiful bombshell curls on a budget. I picked up a cute curling iron from Walmart along with some clips and some hairspray to give you guys these beautiful bombshell curls. It is such a vibe. I feel like such a different person. I've been telling everybody to just go ahead and call me Beyonce because that is exactly how I feel right now, Christmas edition. So yeah, y'all, make sure you are subscribed and let's go ahead and get started with the look. Guys, so my hair is like freshly blow dried. I kind of ran through it with a flat iron because this hair is super duper wavy. I think it's meant to be like a wet and wavy vibe. I don't think it's meant to be straight, so I'm not gonna leave it straight. I'm gonna just go ahead and curl it. What I've done is parted my hair in two little sections like so. I'm gonna take some of this Keratin Smooth Heat Protectant Spray by TRESemme, and I like it to just spray all over the hair, especially the ends, because I don't know about you guys, but when you have wet and wavy hair, the ends can be super duper dry. The other day I went and picked up this curling iron that I did pick up from Walmart. It was like $19. It's by Conair. It's the InfinitiPRO. This gets pretty hot, so I'm gonna go ahead and use it. I also got me some handy dandy clips. So what I'll do is flip it upside down and just pull and curl. Hold it here, pull and curl. I'm doing it backwards, right? Until I get all of the hair in. And my hair is really, really long. This is like a 28-inch. Just I will take that curl. See that? I don't know if you guys can see that curl. One of my pins and kind of just stick it through. I'm gonna do that to pretty much my entire head space. Again, they don't have to be that big. And you can kind of use more than one clip if you want to make sure it's secured. This is pretty much how I'm going to be wearing my hair for the holidays, y'all. And flip the curls backwards because I kind of want that Farrah Fawcett, really bombshell kind of wave. That makes sense. I kind of like to hold the curl in place because when you hold it, it kind of stays. Now I went ahead and I pinned up all of the hair. Now it's not perfect by far. I'm not a hairstylist, but this is how I would pretty much do it. I'll go ahead and spray it with a little bit of oil sheen as well as some hairspray to kind of keep the curls intact. What I'll do now is just go ahead and take these out. These little clips, I got them from the beauty supply store. But this hair that I have is really frizzy, so I have to kind of be careful when I'm removing these pins because I don't want it to look frizzy or nappy. Look at this, it's just falling out. You know, I'm feeling very holiday-esque. I'm feeling like Goldilocks. At first, I was looking like Morticia. Do I have them all out? Okay. I'm liking how it's looking so far, and what I'll kind of do now is just go through it and make sure that it's nice and pulled apart. I don't really like to comb it too much because I don't want the curls to get too frizzy. But this is how it pretty much looks. Grab the comb, kind of pull some of this forward to cover the forehead a little bit. And I really kept the curls concentrated at the bottom so that it would really stick out a little bit. And this is how I get the curls, guys. So whatever you do, get some pins, get you some hairspray, and get you a curler that's about, this is about 1.25 inches. You can even go a little bit bigger if you want like bigger curls. But in order to curl my hair, I think that this was a really great curler. Curls will last me throughout the night. And if you are feeling like, you know, you want these curls to last you another day, you can either apply the pins again before you go to sleep, or you can get you some flexi rods and kind of just take 2 or 3 of them to kind of wrap up the curls so that they do go ahead and last you. So yeah, I really hope you guys are enjoying Vlogmas and enjoying some new content. Well, thank you so much for watching, and Merry Christmas to you all, Happy Holidays, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.